after a long time. I never thought I'd do this again, but I am back. So you are probably wondering why. Like I've not been posting videos on my channel like ever since my first ever video. I had the worst luck ever and my laptop broke. So I finally got a new laptop. Finally. And today we are going to be playing Monkey Bomb Tag. This is a W game. This is a W game. Okay, so I've seen a few like YouTubers play this. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me show you guys something. Good monkey, bad monkey. Exercise. And this also. That. Yeah. Fun fact: yesterday was my birthday, so well, I don't know like what time I'm recording this. As you may not know, wow, immediately I drop in, it just goes. Okay, let's go jungle gym. I hear that's a good map. Okay, Elijah, LGA. How's it going? Okay, so the whole purpose of this game is for me to see that guy indicated yellow has a bomb. Oh, my friend joined me. His name is also a YouTuber. Make sure to go check out his channel. His name is called TechOGFF. Oh, the monkey! The monkey's gonna get my boat! The monkey is here! The bomb monkey! Monkey bomb man! Monkey bomb man is gonna. Oh my gosh! 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 Oh! Guys, you don't know how cool that was. Genuinely, do not know how cool that was. Yo. Wow, my controls glitched. Oh my god! I am the ghost. The fact that they gave me the bomb immediately after that is crazy. The fact that they literally gave me the bomb right after I made that MLG. My controls aren't working, hello? Good. Yep. Chippy Kim, I'm recording. Yes. Press back to lobby. Press that back to lobby, guy. Press that back to lobby, guy. Yo, so guys, this is my classmate. His name is Tech OG. Say what's up to the chat. Say what's up to my fans. What up? Yeah, what? So let me turn down my game audio. Okay, so they can hear you better now. Okay, so guys, Chip game, tech talk. Say something. We are ghost monkeys now. Guys, we are ghost monkeys. So, yeah, I think we have to goof around until, like, hold on notice. Oh, I'm getting spin. Where I get? And I got hot. I used to come. I need to get better movement in this game. I need to get a better mouse. Yeah, I think it's get a better mouse. Okay, so guys, I have good news. I'm soon going to create a new channel called KJ Plays, and I'm going to play Minecraft and other random games. This channel is only going to be for Roblox, like only Roblox game, stuff like that. Okay, the round's finally over. So I think we might play 1 or 2 more rounds before. Ooh, lava, rising lava. That sounds sick. Please don't do it. They gave you the bomb. They gave Tech the bomb. Lol. Oh, my boy Tech, he passed the bomb. Okay, I think, guys, I think the strategy is just to hide inside of this corner. Oh, I see you. I just passed you. Yo, what's up? No, I can see you. Wait, stay there. Yo, what up? This is him. If you can hear me, jump up. If you can hear me, jump. Okay. So, okay. Ah, Chip Game, come here. You're never going to catch me. 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 Leave me! Leave me alone! Yes. Why did you keep giving me the bomb? I'm going to join you soon. Guys, I'm sorry my movement is so bad now. My movement is so bad, it's actually concerning. Come on. Let's go and get this guy out the top. No! Game! I'm cooked. Okay, so guys, I think that might be the end of my recording. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so I think this is a very good place to round off. So this is going to be the end of recording. If you all want to see more videos, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. This time I'll be posting more frequently. So peace. See you in the next one.